Nice. Hey, I'll show you something I did.
Finally, our birthday boy is going to enter and be really tasty.
Even I'm surprised that you are here.
Wow. My God, lovely. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So as you all know, I am in Amboli. So I'll just go and get ready as I have two shows to MC today. And for breakfast, Mama is making buns. They are these South Indian delicacy, and it's really tasty. And I'm having that after over 2 years. So it's gonna be really fun to have this breakfast, and I'll just show you guys how it's made, and then I'll go and freshen up and just get ready. So Bagu, aajcha divas kasa jato. I said Mama is making buns. Are dough is already ready? How did you make it?
It's maida, banana, then ripe banana, two ripe banana.
But when did you make it? Yesterday night?
Night, yeah. Eight
okay.
hours has to be, they have to keep out for 8 hours.
8 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all.
Morning we make buns. Then sugar, salt.
One at a time? Oh, it's fluffing up. They are ready. Look at that perfection. Wow. Buns, and of course you need to have tea after 2 years. So ready, but I haven't done my hair and I've not worn my lens because the whole day I'll be wearing it, so I'm timing my lens so that it doesn't affect me. So I thought I'll go and probably groom once I'm at the venue. Now I'll go to the car. Buns were really very tasty. I enjoy it to the core. So breakfast done. I'm full. Now I'm ready to go and rock the events for today. Heavy rains and winds blowing.
So now we are having some breakfast. And for breakfast today, I am having muesli and milk. And Hriday also wants to try. Hriday, enough, don't fill it full. And today Hriday also wants to try this. So I had kept some water for boiling. Chalo, now this Hriday will also taste. Take.
Look who is here. We have DJ Glenn. Wow, what a pleasant surprise. How come you're here?
Even I'm surprised that you are here.
I expected Alok to be here. Alok is the one who takes care of everything. He takes the decor, the photographer, everything. He's not there today. I thought he's going to play, but we have Glenn. I'm more than happy to have
Even
Glenn
I'm
here.
happy.
Yeah, sorted.
I was wondering from morning like who will be like the compare. I phoned him also. He said I forgot his name here, but he's a male only. So I said okay.
He's a male only. ये क्या discuss
वो है भाई उसका वैसा रहता है. Female रहेगा तो बोलेगा ऐसा है वो है.
How was the
I said,
MCI meet?
okay.
Glenn came with the MCI meet for the first time. How was the experience?
Good yeah, good experience.
That
First
also,
time it was-
that also he didn't know that he was coming for the
Haan.
MCI meet. Cletus got him, and you enjoyed it, right?
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed. Okay. So now I'll show you how the venue looks. So we just come in. I'll also freshen up and show you the entire place. And we expect it to start by 12:30. होने वाला है क्या? You think 12:30 को चालू होएगा?
Catholics are always late. Now you know that.
Yeah. So Catholics, if you're listening, please be on time.
You know that.
Check out the entrance. Really nice, cute. ये क्या है? phone. Oh, lovely, nice. But since it's a decor piece, never touch it. I'm sorry I did. And this is the mascot. Beautiful, beautiful. Check out the venue for today. Beautiful. Oh my god, lovely. Superb. Our birthday boy is going to enter in this car. Look at that. We haven't decided on the song as yet. I and Glenn will sit and discuss now the same. Whoa. Fancy. Check out the backdrop. Little Prince. Ryan turns 1. Lovely. This is something new. Usually it's white, but this is blue. This is nice. And of course you have this.
So now Hriday and me are going to school because today it's Hriday's open day as a result day. And since baby is not here, he's gone for his show. आणि आमची स्कूटी बंद आहे. So we have called for an auto and we'll be going by an auto. Hopefully it shouldn't rain. After 2 cancellations, finally our auto is here. Come Rida. 9850. Go.
Starters have begun.
It has started to rain a lot. Just got done with the open day, but it's raining a lot, and Hriday has done well. Now we are on our way home. Once we reach home, we will talk to you all. So we are back home and lunch बनवतायत आता आंटी lunch बनवते आहे. And खूप पाऊस पडत होता when we were down, पण आता आम्ही घरी आल्यावर अजिबात पाऊस पडत नाही आहे. So that's how the rains are. When you're inside, they are good. When you're down, of course they are a little annoying with the dirt here and there, but of course thankful for the rains and nature. And baby is now for his shows. Actually we are missing him because सोबत राहायची एवढी सवय झाली आहे की थोडा वेळ पण असं इथे तिथे असतं तर इट्स लाईक अरे वेन विल यू कम अँड तो पण सकाळपासून ही इज ऑल्सो कॉलिंग अँड ही इज ऑल्सो फीलिंग द सेम दॅट यू नो रियली मिसिंग यू एंड लाइक अरे चलता है थोड़ा टाइम दूर भी रहना चाहिए. इट helps us to understand each other's value, and that's how relationships are. So now I'll show you what Hriday is doing, and I'll show you how Charlie is sitting next to him. Look at that. Why are you not wearing shirt, Ray? That's how Charlie is sitting. Chalo, enjoy. And that's Coco. सो आता आम्ही लंच करणार आहे आणि आज लंचमध्ये खूप सिम्पल जेवण आहे आणि सिन्स बेबी इज नॉट हिअर आम्ही दोघंच आहे तर आम्ही जास्त काही बनवलं सुद्धा नाही आहे. आय विल क्विकली शो यू ऑल की आम्ही आज काय जेवणार आहे. सो पहिला तर आहे ही अंड्याची भुर्जी आणि सोबत आम्ही चपात्या खाणार आहे अँड केळ्याची कापं बनवली आहेत जे हृदयचे खूप फेवरेट आहेत है ना हृदय. केळ्याची कापं फेवरेट. चला.
So guys, I just got done with my first event. I didn't have lunch and everything because I have to rush to the next event now. This got a bit delayed. We started late. We started at 1:30 eventually. So now I will rush to Amboli, change and then go to my next venue. Lot of work to do today. Reached my building. I'm already tired, but I'll just go have a bath, freshen up and wear the outfit for the next. What is Dada doing? Oh, he's placing all the stamps. How many stamps now, everyone?
I will tell later about this own album.
You'll make the album, I'm sure. See. I have now dressed up into my next outfit. It is a suit, blue color, and heading towards the venue. Bye. Where's Loisy auntie? Loisy auntie is that side, alright? Bye, bye. Here, down. Bye, bye. Chalo. गाड़ी उधर है. Guys, look who is here. We have DJ Rodney in the house. Let me adjust it a little bit properly. हाँ ना.
You should have told I would have one blue only and come then यार. मैं green pen क्या है?
It's okay ना. अच्छा है ना.
What the goat?
Use my blue umbrella.
Will enter that way.
Enter it like Chhatri man. What is that?
That's the Bangkok viral thing. The herb.
Bangkok viral thing. ये भी है. The family show है ये.
हाँ वो viral नहीं है कुछ भी.
Bangkok बोला ना इसलिए.
हाँ.
Children also
ये
watch it.
Bangkok का यही सोचते हैं. Boom 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 boom. I want to.
Tell me what is that?
Inhaler.
Oh.
It's an inhaler. It has menthol 20 grams.
So it's basically like Vicks only, you know?
Yeah, but
क्या?
foreign का माल है.
Foreign Kamal. Oh, okay. We have reached the venue. They're setting up everything.
We have reached the controversial.
Crowd has actually come. If you notice, the bus has come in.
We have reached the controversial venue.
Oh, yeah. So today, Rodney is the DJ. And,
On request.
And Galaxy Caterers are favorite. And let's see how it's going to be. It's a South Indian crowd. And they start on time, but
they go to eat also on time.
yeah, that is also there.
So
Yeah,
they're not interested
honestly.
in dancing, nothing.
Correct.
Music.
Background
But
music. We'll try to pull it up. We'll try to pull it up. It's a very close friend's child's baptism, and it's gonna be fun. It's come out? No. Acha, they are all posing. Dinesh is there, correct. He is the one who handles the decor at St. Arnold's. And let's see what we're going to wait for 5 minutes, chill for some time, and then go inside.
I already kept my bag inside, so
I have to take my bag, I have to wear my shoes, I have to do a lot of things to my suit. Rodney's come to help me carry the bags. How sweet of him.
Loader.
Yeah, loader. Hi, free loader. At your favorite venue. He's carrying my bags. How sweet of him. Of course, I will not return the favor by carrying his bags.
So we have entered.
You have entered the venue. Music क्यों चालू नहीं है रे? What kind of DJ are you? Wow, looks really good.
Yes, Dinesh, by the way.
Yes, the guy who has made this place amazingly well. Check it out. That's the backdrop for the evening function. God bless Joanne. Beautiful name. Finally, we meet.
Finally.
After so long, man. After 4 years? More than that.
Well, I'm seeing after और पेट भी आ गया.
Father.
मस्कट ने पकड़ लिए थे.
Muscat ne पकड़ लिया. You are ready? देखो मैं मटर शुरू करने का काम हुई है. देखो everybody is having. Sorted. अभी बहुत सारा है. We both are calling our wives at the same time.
And my
Video paused है इधर इसका. Melvina's not by. Yeah, there she is. There she is calm. We are.
seriously.
Mel- on the other mobile we have kept Melvina. We are calling Melvina, but she's not answering.
I'm sorry. Yeah, this is my life. This is my life.
My
I feel
life.
much better.
Unable connection. अरे इधर network issues है. चल we are going to do our show now. Bye. Take care.
Seriously. अरे
Hey, Melvina भी आई. Melvina भी आई.
कर
Melvina भी आई. Melvina देखो.
Nash भी रहेगा. Show Nash.
Where's Nash? Where's Hriday?
Hi,
Hey, Nash is there. Where's Hriday? Baby, get Hriday. Potty कर रहे क्या? लॉली का नेट अच्छा है, मेरा नेट बकवास है. आज खाने में क्या है? हाय. आई एम गुड. ना मेलविना को दिखा कौन क्या कर रहे हैं. This is what we do before the show.
क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
Check out the Sev Puri. Tasty. And of course Lolly also has got for himself. क्या वो कुछ बोल रहा था?
For cake cutting now, you need to congratulations.
They want congratulations.
Will do congratulations.
ठीक है. Yeah, whatever the client says. And Decibel Plus owner, the one handling the sound is here. How are you?
Very good. Just come from another show.
Ah, of course. Packed up.
How's life?
All good. You tell me how's life? How's
Super rocking.
amazing? All set for the season? Always.
Long time more. Always ready. But
Always ready. Yes.
tell me tomorrow on 5 shows? No. Tell me tomorrow 10 shows? No
problem at all.
All
Done.
set.
Hello everyone, look how funny Mama is looking.
Hey, why are you taking my video?
You are looking very funny.
No taking my video.
Why are you washing your dishes, Mama?
Early today auntie didn't come, no? So I am doing. Chal, go. Not taking my video. Go there.
Just got done with the show. It was amazing. People enjoyed games. They played like crazy. They danced surprisingly. And
They told me that they will not dance.
yeah, we were
Few people
informed.
danced, that's
Yes. And most importantly, we had our dinner, but for dessert, we didn't want to have something here. So we've ordered from. I'll show it to you. 1 minute. I'll show it to you. Okay,
Yeah.
he's showing it first. I'll show it to you here. We have ordered from frozen bottle. Which flavor have you ordered?
I don't remember, but it's sugar free.
It's sugar free. Yeah, even I forgot what I ordered.
Actually, you
So,
don't know what you
honestly, no, I ordered mango milkshake and for baby cold coffee.
I think cold coffee.
तेरा भी cold
मेरा भी
coffee है.
cold coffee.
So we're gonna have this now, or maybe in the car. Depends.
I think we'll sit in the car and drink.
Car?
Better, yeah. Car.
अरे फिर फेंकने को जगह नहीं है. You have to throw all that. You will have
चूहा
to.
आएगा ना नहीं तो
हाँ ना.
चूहा आएगा. I'll see you, bro.
Yes, for sure. Chal Baba.
I hope
Bye.
I sleep today.
Yeah. He just had that. He chose a wrong flavor. I told him to have something else, but he didn't listen to me.
It's fine. It was sugar free, but still. I
Mm.
think it will stop raining. I'll leave.
Helmet?
No helmet. ना.
For what?
Area में ही है ना.
हाँ ठीक है. चल. Stay safe. चल. Bye. Take care. Bye. No power. Chalo, I'll go home now too. Just got back home and look at that heavy rain. What luck. Truly blessed. The moment I entered and these heavy rains. Look who all are here. Coco, Hriday, Charlie, this hottie, and then we have Chester. How was your day, baby?
Nice.
Hey, how was your open house? Good. That mama will say good or bad. How was it?
Good. Just 1 or 2 silly mistakes here and there.
1 or 2. That means 3, 4. Huh? Chalo, it's okay. No worries. Work hard next time. Don't do any silly mistakes. Okay. Hey, hello, viral cat. Charlie, kai re? Huh? What? Why you're getting jealous? I'm talking to Charlie Chester. So guys, it's time to sign off. I had a very, very tiring day. 2 events and then traveling back. I am exhausted. I just want to doze off to sleep. And baby and Hriday, how are your...
Nice. Hey, I'll show you something I didn't show you.
What?
Sorry, wait.
क्या ढूंढ रही है? Oh. What's that? 1 minute, I'll show that properly. Oh, the 8 Beatitudes of Jesus. Oh, nice. Lovely. When did you get this done?
Today,
Oh, amazing. Looks good, yeah?
I designed it. How is it?
Amazing.
Can you see the background image? Is that sermon?
No, 1 minute. That flash आ रहा है ना तो इतना clearly नहीं दिख रहा. Okay, good.
The background image is Sermon on the Mount.
Oh, nice.
Jesus,
Got it. Lovely. Where you want to put it or hang it?
don't know. Let's see.
Take it. Okay, so she did that. Very nice. And anything else you all did the entire day? I haven't seen what the vlog is, so I'll go
I
and
did
check
a lot
it.
of skincare. And hair also. See, that's why it's falling.
Oh, I didn't do anything with regards to skincare and hair. So it's okay. Yeah, boys don't do that much. Little bit we do, but not much. Okay, let's sign off. I'm dozing off to sleep now. So, असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा,
कमेंट करा, शेअर करा
आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.